Okay, so the we have seen the arrays, different methods we have seen. Okay, so what and all we have seen the how to store. First, we have seen that how to store an array value, why we need an array, how to use it, how to fetch the elements, and everything we have used. How to create the array object, and how to change the array element, and converting the array to the string, then string to array. So that is we have already seen this one. So next, what we are going to do here, we are going with the other methods. So arrays other methods. So what are the array methods? So we will just have a look for it. Look into an array methods here. Okay. So arrays and array means what? So like what I can say, uh, it is storing the similar data when we are using so student data and employee data. So all those things we are going to do. So then sorting an array. So what is a sort? Sort means it is going to be like arrange an element. What is a sorting? An example. Let's say I want to do what you can say. I want to sort an array student data in the ascending order or is the descending order. Okay. So let's say we'll go with one example. So sorting an array method. So just I want to create a one more file that is a index12.html and the doc. So we have created. So how to what is this one? The sorting an array. The sorting an array. Got it. Enter, save it. So why we need a sort? Okay, see, this is happening in real time. So how is if you want to go for the Bangalore one, or if you go for the any like the Karnataka state government introduce many schemes. So how we are going to be sorted? So if you want to sort out by the APL card holders and BPL card holders and IT taxpayer details and based on this Aadhaar card details or PAN card details, all it is happening with the sorting, arranging array only. So all your programming. So just I want to go here our official website. What is official website? Karnataka Karnataka government schemes. So if you just give here, uh, see all this information and everything which is going to be fetched. How it is fetching? We have a 7 crores of people out of 7 crores. So 2 crore people are 2 to 3 crore people are ladies or women or like that. So how it is happening in the sense? So it is based on what you can see all this data is fetching. So I want to submit a form or something like that, no? So it is coming from here. All your data is storing into an array. So if you want to store the ladies list or gent list, how you are going to do? So you are going to do with the sorting the method. Okay, so that is what we are going to do. So for that I want to go here, I want to create a one script here, the constant. So something called I think so. I want to take a fruits. Okay, fruits. Okay. I have fruits. I want to make it as a fruits based on the categories. Okay, so that is a citric. So what you can say, citric acid fruits and non-citric acid. So orange, lemon. So these are all type of citric type of acid fruits. So banana is something. This is non-citric. Banana, apple, something like that. The pineapple also is something called a citric acid type of fruit. So first we'll create a banana and what is this one? Kiwi and third one will be what is that one? Pineapple Fourth one is something called uh, banana is there, kiwi is there, pineapple is there, mango is there, and orange is there. Okay. So here what I want to do, I want to sort an array. Okay, what is a sort? So first we'll see here CLG means console.log. So that is a fruits. So this is the fruits is there. It is going to be printed. Save it, right click, open with the live server means. So already it is running here. So just I want to go here, just change the file name to 12. Okay, sorting an array. Console.log is there. So here Control Shift I. So here it is the array is there. So I want to sort an array. Okay, why need to sort an array? Okay, so I want to sort an array. So how to do? So I will add a some see just it is printing here. So I want to add a some meaningful text here. So how to add this one? So plus the array before sorting the array the before sorting and what is this one? So I will do mm, constant constant sorted fruits equals to fruits dot sort of console dot clg means console dot log the array after sort and sorted fruits. Save it. We'll go here. See the array before sorting. What is this one? The banana is there, kiwi is there, pineapple is there, mango is there, orange is there. The first banana is kiwi is there. So mango. So why instead of pineapple, mango is came here. So M will come before P, MNOP. So that is why M mango it is coming here. So pineapple is gone in the right side and orange is came is left side. So banana B is the first after it is the starting letter in the alphabetical. So then I J K L M O P K is there. After K, P will come. So he sorry M will come. So that is why P gone. M N O orange will come. Orange is last. So what I will do, I will add a one more fruit that is called an sorry shift apple. Okay, so as the alphabetic order, so apple should come in the first. So save it. We'll go here and run it. Banana, mango. Yeah. So what is happening here? It is taking all the values. So B, A, after A, N, or it is comparing all the value. First B is a B, okay, and A is there. So it will take all the values, keeping on consideration, it is going to be add in the first or second like this. So if you want to go for the something called A, B, C, D, E, F, so it is going to be, so just I want to show here. I will take the constant letters equals to A, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So what I will do, just I want to cut these three. I will add here. So this is the A, B, F, G. This is the, all the, it is like this. So CLG. So letters dot sort of save it, run it. We'll go here. See here. What is the array is there? A, B, F, G, H, C, D, E is there. So I will cut these two as well. Okay. So this is not an alphabetically order. Alphabetic means what? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. If you do letter dot sort means automatically A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, it is going to be sorted like this. Okay. So this is how it is going to be works. So this is a sorting an array. So now, sorting an array means so it is going to be sort a array in the alphabetically. So why it is the apple is first, it has to be come in the sense. So here what happens? It is going to be compare every value. A is the first, but P is the last. Again, PP is the and LE is there. For every letter, it is going to be measured or it is checked and it is going to be given output. So that is why banana, kiwi, and all is there. Okay. So now, so I have done what we can say. Just I will delete this one. Okay. The fruits is there. So it is going to be a sort in the alphabetically order. So what if it is an okay? So what if it is a number? So I will do so constant number. Sorry, constant number equals to I will take a number like 10, 20, 1, 4, 200, 46, something like that. I have to can value. So I want to sort an array. So how to do sort an array? See, this is a sorting means what? One has to become first. Means increasing order, ascending order we can say 1 4 10 30 40. So just I want to print the console.log. Just I want to type the print the numbers, save it, run it. See, 10 30 1 4 200 456 and all is there. Okay, so it has to be sort and array. So how to do? So just I want to add a number dot sort of method, save it. See, now is a 10 30 1 4 is there. After this one 1 10 230. So 200 means two number. See, one is a the least number, and the again one is a least number only. Two is least number. Zero is again least, but before the one and sorry, after the one and before the two, three. And so it is going to be keep on counting for every number. So this is called a ascending a number. So number wise sorting and letter wise sorting we have seen. So this is we have done. So what this is the sorted first. So I want to reverse the array. So this is the fruit is there. Okay, so what I will do, clz means console.log, what are the array before reverse or reversed plus what is the my array here? The fruit is there, so just I want to print a fruit. So what I will do, clg, sorry, let, sorry, constant reversed string something like that equals to fruits dot reverse. So clg reverse string. Okay, I will add some meaningful text here over there. The string after reverse. Save it. We'll go here. See, the array before reverse, banana, kiwi, mango, apple, orange, pineapple is there. Okay. Then for the string after reverse, the pineapple. Where is the pineapple here? The pineapple is in the here last, that is come in the first. The second one is the array, sorry, the orange is there. Here it is the orange is the second last, here it is second. The apple is there, third last. Here is the third is there. The mango is here, so here it is the fourth last. So kiwi. So it is going to be reverse. Okay, so reverse you want. So why we need all those things in the sense? See, whenever you have something like that, if you want to see the, so let I will come for the government sites only. So Karnataka government schemes. So we want to see, we don't have a one member or two member, we have a lakhs to close together people. So I want to sort a different category. So how to categorize? So we have a different. I want to categorize by name. So I want to find the. I want to reverse the list. So why to reverse the list? So who they have applied 10,000 people as there. So I want to 10,000 people. So one, two, three, four, five, six like that. 10,000 is there. So 10,000 has to be sit in the last and one has to become in the first. Because who come first, he has to release first. So how to do this one? So this is to with a sort method. Okay, so that is the array sort method is there. Like that, so we have so many scenarios we will come. So why we to reverse and all of them. So numeric sort also same thing. I want to reverse the array. So that is also which is possible. Okay, so this is called a array we can say. So there is one more thing it is called what you can say sorting the an array in the random order. So if I click means what? Okay, there is a one program I will show you. If I click here means so randomly that it has to be sort an array. Okay. How? Just I want to go here. I want to create a one more function. What is the function? The constant something called a num. So I want to take some random numbers here. How to take 70? I can take 89. I take 56. I can take 34. I can take 180. I take 456. So I will add a control X inside a bracket. So 23 something like this. Okay, so this is my array. So every time I click it means so automatically it has to be rearrange the array. Okay, so how to rearrange an array? So for that, I want to create a one function. Function rev array open close brace. So this is the function keyword. This is the reverse array is my function name. So then I want to sort an array. How to sort? So num dot sort. I want to call a one function. So what is that function? Function open close brace and so what I will do something called 0.5 minus num dot random. Random is a one more method. The inbuilt method of a what you can say a JavaScript. Okay, so it is going to be give the some random array. Okay, so what I will do, so document dot get element by id. I want to take a one demo attribute to print the output dot inner HTML equals to what is this one? So I want to uh, print the uh, what you can say numbers here. So where is the number? Here it is the number because num dot sort. I want to take a function so 0.5 minus what you can say a random. So before that I need to add some return here. Okay, the function. This method has to be written something, right? So I can doing a 0.5 minus what you can say math dot random. So not num random, so math dot random that is math dot random. It is going to be give the a random number for everything. Okay, so now what I have to do? So I want to create a one button here. So before that, I need to define an ID, right? So h hash demo means h1 demo it is going to be created. So here my output is going to be print in the browser. So I want to take up one more button, so that is to call the function. So for that button, click me, or else generate a random number. So here what I will do, on click, what is my function? So a reverse array, so that function I want to call here, the reverse array of. Okay, this is my function. So when I click here, so it is going to be called the reverse array. So num dot sort function, so it is going to be mm, uh, call the return 0.5 minus math dot random. So it is going to be generate the random number. So here it is, a number is there, so it is going to be print. Document not get demo instrument number is there, so it has to be print. So just I want to go here. So generate a random number is there. So just I want to click here. So it is not showing anything. So what is the we might done a some mistake. So Control Shift I. So we'll go here, console, save it. So nothing is happening. So I think we are having some problem with the calling a function. So on click is there. Let's check. On click. Okay. The reverse array is there. Okay. Correct is there. So what is a mistake then? Reverse array is there. Function is there. So once I click means, so it has to be go for the function. Yeah, the function is there. So just CLG. I will do console. Am I reaching some dummy text? I want to call here. Show here, clear here, click here. The first is not defined. Where? So it is telling that the first is not defined and the index12.html. Index12.html. So what is the line? Console, click here, click here. So then I am reaching to my function. So then what? Num dot sort. So here what happens? We are going to be sort. So here what happened, the function is there, function we have called, and we are calling a return and a 0.5 minus math dot random is there. Okay, everything is clear. Okay, so that's okay. So now then what I have to do, so till that our program is correct. Document dot get element by id demo inner html num is there. Okay, so num has to be written. So I think everything it looks correct only. So then what is the mistake? So we'll go here, click here. So it is reaching, but it is not returning the value. So we'll have one more thing. The function is there. So reverse array. So here it is calling the reverse array. So next, what is that one? So this is the num is my array, and the sort I want to call the method. Inside the sort method, we are calling a function. So that function itself, it is going to be take a function return 0.5 minus math dot. So okay, I want to add some space here. I might done a mistake here. So math dot random is a method. We are going to be called this one. Okay, so document dot get element by id demo. So here it is, demo is there, inner html is there, num is there. So here it has to be displayed. Yeah, I have done some small mistake here. So I am Calling this function here, the output I am want to display outside the function. So just I want to control X. I will add here, save it, run it, clear it. See here. So here 23, 89, 456, something like this. If I click here, see here 34. You just see this one, okay? I will just click the button. So how it is keep on randomly generating the different number. So why we need a random generation? So whenever you entering the something called a OTP or something, generate a random number, no? So captcha. So when you are signing in a website, doing a captcha verification. So all these are coming into an help. So to generate a random number of a random number. So why we need a search? So if you want to do like log into some application, so we will need to generate a random number. So how to generate a random number? So this is the 456. So just click here. So this is how it is going to be generate a random number. Okay, so this is a one example of a generating a random array. So why we need in the sense like whenever you want to generate a unique password or OTP generation, so everything is it is happening by the what you can say this generating a random arrays and all. Okay, so this is a one iteration, one or sort, reversing the array, and ascending order, descending order. So everything we are going to be learned. So what we have done? So we have learned about a array ascending order, array descending order, and a number. What you can say numbers, number ascending order, descending order, and all. So then we have one more thing called a iteration of a array. So next is come the iteration of the array. Okay, array sort is there. So in the array sort only we are going to be come the one more method called a array iteration. What is array iteration? Sir, we have 100 data here. 100 student data is there. Let's assume so I have 100 student database. So what that database contains? So it contains your roll number, the first name, and what you can say, last name, and the email. So everything is there. So I want to 5 minute or okay. Array iteration we are going to be discuss about. So here it is my one student registration book is there. Let's assume okay. So your student registration book is having a column one, 2, 3, 4, 5 field. So what is the first field? The ID, roll number, name, first name, last name, uh, what is the class, which class and which batch, okay, which section or something like that. So like that we have around 100 student. We have let's assume I have 100 student. Each is having a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 column. So I want to iterate. Okay. So how to do iterate? So that is we have the that is called the array iteration. Iteration means it is going to be calling a one by one. So let's say student database is there. So if you want to iterate the student database means so ID first that is called roll number, first name, last name, email, something like that. So if you want to see the Aadhaar card details in the sense, so Aadhaar ID, his first name, his last name, his mobile number, his email, his address, so like that, so we are going to be carrying. So if you want to see the employee list, the employee ID, employee name, his designation, salary, branch, department, uh, position, whether it is a engineer or a manager or something like that. So these are all to be considered. JavaScript array for each. So I want to loop through an array. Okay, I have 100 numbers. Okay, let's see. I have this number. I want to loop. So how to loop? So loop means what? First is a 56, 180, 180, 23, 456, 89. 34 like that we need to display, right? So that is called a loop. So I want to display these things. Okay. So how to do this one? Here I want to add some comment here. Star the JavaScript loop. Okay, so JavaScript loop is there. So how to loop works? So that is called constant. I already have this array. Okay, so I want to go do the loop. So how to do a loop? So I will take a letter txt is a one dummy variable. So why I am taking I will tell you. So then what I will do? I want to loop through it. How to loop through it? What is the array? Num dot for each is a function. So it is an inbuilt function. Okay, this is not defined by us. For each is an inbuilt JavaScript function. We are going to be iterate. So that is a what is called a loop my data. So this is my a function. So then a function loop my data. See what is this function? This is the function, it's a keyword. What is this one? This is the function name. Okay, loop my data. So comma. So here I want to take a open close brace. So this is this is the function name and this is the function keyword, and here we are going to pass the parameter. So that is called the value comma index comma array. Okay, so this is the my these three things. Okay, so what is the value? So actual value. Index means, so as I told, array is storing with the index value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And array is the array name we are going to be display here. So here what happens? Txt, that is the, we already taken the value. So that is here. The text is the empty a string variable. Text equals to value plus I want to add a break here. Okay, save it. So here document of get element by id of demo dot inner html equals to txt. See demo already we are calling here. So I want to use the demo one. Then I want to call a h1 hash demo one. Save it, run it. So here it is some error is there. What is error? Uncaught reference loop my data is not defined. So just click here. Loop my data is not defined. Why? Because we'll go here. Loop my data. Loop my data. So here I have used a capital. Here I am using a small l. So that's why I will do small l here. So always function name start with a small letter. Save it, run it. We'll go here console. Have I seen any error? No. So here it is my data is looping here. What is happening here? When you run a program, so it is going to be called the num array for the for each. For each what is this? For each is a function. It is defined by the JavaScript itself. It is going to be call a one function. So in the for each, what we are going to be called? So we are calling a one more function name. So that function it is going to be loop through. What is the loop through here? The value is there. What is the value? First value, second value, something. What is the index? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the array? So this is the num is an array. So this is the text the text is here, the value is here. So the value it is coming from the here, the value is coming from in the num. So that is a what you can say a dumped here. How? So num dot for each. So for num dot for each I am doing in the function, we are going to pass the array. What is the array? This is the array. What is the index? So this is 0 1 2 3 is index. What is the value? The individual value 23 89 64 like that. So text is what? Text is my empty array. Then the value is the first iteration 23 will come. So it is stored into a text. So then the second iteration it is coming a 89. So that 89 it is going to be stored here. And the third iteration so 56 like that. So what is the use of text plus? So text plus is a one thing we are going to be stored the value. So why we need a plus here? So text is variable. Why we need a plus? So if I just remove here, save it, we'll see the output here. Only 456 is there. What is this one? Only the last value is there. Why? Because if you add a plus symbol, it is going to be add the first value 23, and plus means what? It is going to be concatenation, not addition. Okay, concatenation means along with the 23 89 is added, and 56 is added. Not add means like a attachment, not a addition. Okay, so adding means different, attachment is different. Add means what? 2 plus 2 is a, let's say I will say one thing. Adding means what? 2 plus 2 equals to 4 will be happen. Okay. Same thing for attachment. What happens? Attachments 2 plus 2 is equals to something 2 plus 2. So this is called a what we can say 2 comma 2. So this is called an attachment. So what I am to do? I am adding the 2 plus 2 means 4. I am attaching means so 2 plus 2. So this is how it will work. Okay, so this is a concatenation. What happens? So first value will come, so that is stored into the text. The second value 89 will come, it is stored here. Add a 56, it will come here, it will store here. So this is how it is going to be works. Okay, so this is called the array iteration. Okay, the for each loop. The for each loop app, what happens? So when it will come here, then it will come for the num dot for each method. The for each method, it is inbuilt. It is calling a one more method called a loop my data. In the loop my data, we are passing the value index array. The first, what is the array? The array is this is the num array. And what is the index? So that is the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the value? So value is the individual value 23 first will be stored here. So that 23 it is attached to here. The second iteration 89 will come here. So 89 23 comma 89. In the third iteration 56 will come 29. So 23 89 56 is added. So how it is adding here at concatenation, not adding, that is called a concat. You can say concat. Concat means what? Joining from 1 to 1 like that. So text plus equals to value means it is going to be add the new value with the existing value. So document dot get element by ID demo1 HTML. So this is, you know how to print the value. What is the text value? So the text value is here. So that text value, it is keep on storing the value and it is going to be print like this. So this is called the array for each loop. So we have the array map function is there. So many things are there. Uh, uh, a map and a set is there. So we are going to be discussed deeply in the next what we can say coming sections. So just we want to know what we can say the how the array will be there, how to sort an array, uh, what I can say, how to sort an ascending order, and like how to reverse an array. So everything we have seen here. So this is all about what we can say JavaScript arrays. Okay, the next will come. What is this one? Arrays. So the date is there. What is the date? So the date is it is going to be give the current system date. If you want to see means how to see, so just to go do here document dot write of a date. See automatically it is coming here. If you just click here, so date method is coming here. Let's see, save it, run it. We'll go here. See it is printing in the string order. Save it. What is the date here? Tuesday, September 19th, 2000, so 10:45. So who is giving this? See, 19th is 10:45 is it. Who is giving? The by default system it is going to be give the system date. Okay, so how to get the a date here? So I want to create I want a date, month, year, seconds, milliseconds. So all those things. How to do to get that one? How to do? So for that I want to create a. Okay, let I will show here only. So first what I will do constant d equals to a new. See, now the date is become an object. So D is containing all those things. CLZ, I want to show the D. What D contains? Save it, run it. We'll go here, see here. Tuesday, September 2010, 46:41 seconds and Indian Standard Time. Who is giving? So browser itself, it is giving the date. Okay. So this is all about what we can say, the date functionality. So we have so many methods. If you want to print a only date, it is going to be printer date. If you want to DDMMYY, it is going to be print. If you want to print a year month, it is going to be print. If you want to year month day, if you want, it will print. Or else year month day hours, it is going to be print. Again, or else year month day hours minutes like that. So many things we are going to be print. Okay. That is we are not going to be discuss more here. So if you know about how to display the date here, you are going to be more. So millisecond, if you want to print millisecond, it is going to be print date string new date. You just practice it, okay? So if you know about how to print the dates, that's more enough. So some situation will come like that, okay? So date will be MMYY. What is this? DD or else YYYMM or YYYMMDD. So like that it will come. So based on the situation, we are going to be what you can say set the date or else print the date. So we have a different methods to be the date formats and get and set. So if you want to get the date, so constantly new. So d dot get time. So it is going to be give the get time. So if you want to show here d dot. So here, if you want to get a date, it is going to be give day, full year, hours, millisecond, minutes. So get month. So what it will give? Get month. So this is the ninth month. So if you go here, if you see here, this is the 8. Why it is 8 is showing like this? Yeah, so always what happens? It is going to be take it's except a date. So if you want to see other thing, I will show here. Uh, except date, it is showing a one less number. So if you want to see the full year, Control C, T dot, get full year, save it, run it. We'll go here. See the 2023 is there. So get month. So get day, get hours. What is the get hours? See now 10. So now 10 is there. If you go for a 10, 11, the 11 will be round up. So all methods we have, whichever thing we need, so we have to use. Get hours, get milliseconds, save it, run it. So I think some error is there. Hmm. I want to get minutes. So 15 minutes it has to be come. Run it. The 50 minute because here also 50, 1050 is there. So like that. So these are all the what you can say JavaScript state methods. Okay, the next what we are going to discuss. So you just practice it if you want to get minutes, how to get. So if you want to set full year 2023, set month 11 like that. So all these methods are there. You just practice it. Okay, the next will come on JavaScript math. What is the JavaScript math? So we have seen like mathematic functions like that. In the shop you are going here, your billing cycle will be something 22 rupees 78 paisa. So in the what they will do, they don't want to do take a 22 rupees. What they will do, they will do round up for 22.78. Okay, fine. So that is we know this one. We have 1,000 items. So how we are going to be calculated? So just I will go for the something the billing receipts. So just I will go for the some images in the Google. Okay. So what is the billing receipt? Mm, let's say here is the what we can say. So here it is there, something rate is there. So there might be a something like that, 100 rupees 80 paisa, another item 200 rupees 20 paisa, another is 400 95 paisa, something like that. So who is doing calculation? So who is doing the roundup? So here it is the that is called the JavaScript math object. So what and we know square root is there, sine is there, cos is there. So just we are going to be do it here. So let's say math.round returns the x round to its a nearest integer. So just I want to go here, document, sorry, document dot, sorry, I am writing the outside the script. So control X, document dot write off. So I want to take a math.round of 4.6. The round method. Math dot round of 4.6. So what is the output? Document dot write. The round method is this is the string, and math is a function a round of a 4.6. So math is an object. It is going to be this is the method and 4.6. What is the output? This is just I want to go here. We'll go here. 53 is this. Just I will add one break here. Save it, run it. So what I will do, just I will take a, sorry here, the round method is the 5. So what is happening here? I have a 4 pieces, 6 paisa, 60 paisa, something like that. Okay. So it is going to be round to the nearest integer, so that is the 5. So what if it is a 4.3? Now 4. So math dot round method what if is going to be? It is going to be round the value its nearest integer. So what is the if it is the 4.321 something like that? It is going to be go for the 4. If it is a 6, 7, 8, 9, something like that, it is going for the 5. So round method, it is going for the its nearest integer. So that is called the math dot round method. Okay. So math dot c. The math dot return the rounded up to its nearest integer. Rounded up. So see here, rounded up. So just I want to copy all those things. Okay. Control C. Okay, what I will do, math dot seal dot 4.9. So just copy and I will add here. So rounded up to nearest integer. This is the integer and it is rounded up to nearest integer. 4.9 is there. As per the round method, it has to be go for the 5. But what is the output here? Run it. So this is also same thing. The next four, what is the thing he is doing? The method 4.7, 4.4, something like that. 4.4, save it, run it, will go here. Still it is a 4. So if you take anything value 4.1 or 4.2, it is going for to reach the 5 only. Why? Because so mat.c means so we have a 4 rupees 10 paisa means that is also 5 rupees. Mat dot 6 6 paisa sorry 4 rupees 60 paisa also 5 rupees. So in the shop, what they will do, if you make a 10 rupees 50 paisa, he will take a 11. Same thing, mat dot seal in the billing application, what they will, if it is a costing anything in the paisa, so that is round up to the next integer. If it is a 4 rupees 10 paisa, make it as to be round to 5 rupees. If you want to make a 4 rupees the 8 paisa, so that is also rounded to the 5. So this is called a seal method. What it will do, it is going to be sealed to the next integer. So that is called a math dot seal. Math dot round means if it is below 5, it is going for 4. If it is above 5, it is going for the 4. Okay, so this is all about a math dot seal. The next it will come. So math.floor. So math.floor returns the x rounded down its nearest integer. So seal is to the up and down is to the reverse order. So 4.9 is there. 4.9 is there. What I will do? Floor, save it, run it. See, 4.8 is there. If you use a round method or if you use a seal method, it is going to be next integer. But whereas here it is going to be print. Okay, just I want to print all those things. Copy, Control B, Control B. So first one is the math dot round, and the second one is a math dot round is there, and math dot seal is there, and math dot floor is there. What it will do, the math dot round method, it is going to be it is going for the nearest integer. If it is a 4.8, so just I want to comment it here. Okay, 4.8, it is going for the 5. If it is a 4.2, 4. So this is the correct method. If you have a 4 rupees 50 paisa, above 50 paisa, then it is going for the 5. If it is below 5, then it is going to 4. So this is normally they will do. So that is here what happens in the second scenario. If you have a 4 rupees 8 paisa or 4 rupees what can say 10 paisa or 20 paisa 30 whatever the paisa, so it is directly rounded to the 5 rupees. So that is called a math dot what is called a seal method. And the third one will what it will come, it is opposite to the seal method. So that is called a floor. So mat dot 4 4.8 means it is not going for the 5, it is going for the 4. See here. If it is the highest also 4, if it is the lowest also, that is a 4. It is a reverse. This is the upward, this is the downward rounding. Okay, so this is called a math dot a random a number. Okay, so this is a sign of sign 4, sign I think a power of 8 comma 2. What is the power of 8 comma 2? 64 is it has to become. So document dot right of the power of method is plus. So math dot pow POW is power 8 comma 2. Okay, so what is the output? I think 64. Let's see. So there is a error is the uncaught syntax unexpected token index. So unexpected token. Yeah, I need to remove this extra bracket. Save it, run it. Will go here. 64 is there. How the 8 into square root of what we can say. How we are going to be write in the real life? I think where is this one? Pen. Where is the pen? JB issue. I want to take so something called a 8. How you are going to write 8? Okay. 8 square. 8 square. The power of 2. Power of 8 power 2 means so 8 something. So this is the power you know already known into. So mathematical function. So where we need means here it's a calculators are there. Okay. If you go for the Google, search for the calculator. So it is going to be the calculator. Cos 4 means who is calculating. So here it is a JavaScript is there. So this is the calculation. So these functions they have written. So here you are going to be tan 10 12. You are going to be see the this value. So how we are getting? So these values are getting from the here. Sorry, from the this mathematical functions. The square root of 64. So how to do? So here CLZ the square root of a number. So math dot square root of what is the number here? The 64. So that is the 4 I think. Save it. We'll go here. The 4 is here. So if you want to make a break here, so add a break means what? It is going for the new line. So I need to add a here also break. I need to add a break here too. Sorry. The math dot square root of 64. Yeah, 8 is there. Okay, so this is how it is going to be print the output of a square root. All the pi, cos, and so many things are there. If you want to generate a random number, so how to do math dot random? So if you just go here or document dot write of br tag generate a random number plus math dot random save it. We'll go here. So just rerun it. What is this one? Generate the math dot random. Okay, so we'll discuss with an example of how to generate a random number. So here what happens when you will click no, so it is going to be generate a one random number. So that is we are going to be discuss. So fine. So today we have learned about like what you can different array methods uh, and like reversing an array, numeric sort, and date functions, what is the date methods, how to get the full year, full month, full date, and everything. And these are all the what you can say, rounding a number, math, seal, floor, square root, random number generation. So these are all daily life we are using. So where in the sense, if you go for the Swiggy or Zomato, if they have a 52 rupees